Hi, my name is Zayd Azmathallah, VUE Program Manager here at Evertz Microsystems. As systems become larger and more complex, it's becoming more and more important for us to start considering monitoring and analytics within these systems. With Magnum OS, we bring the ability to consolidate monitoring and analytics with the same control and orchestration platform. Magnum OS allows us to consolidate the user interface. It allows us to reduce deployment complexity, and it allows us to contextualize alarming within these systems. Deployments can be complicated. Engineers are usually asked to deploy these large-scale systems without the correct tools and resources. Magnum OS brings these tools to the deployment engineers at the beginning of the project. This is an advantage because it allows the engineers to ensure that each phase of the project is being deployed correctly from initiation all the way up to handoff. Magnum OS is the brains behind all the system interactions across the various devices and components in your system, be it SDI, IP, transport, tally, proc, whatever. This information can then be distributed to control panels such as VUE, providing the user the appropriate touch points and handles that they require. For the initial release of Magnum OS, we have decided to focus on three major points of benefit: reducing the amount of configuration required in the system by centralizing it in a single interface, consolidating access to information in a single user interface, and providing contextual status and monitoring. This infers that we are able to pull data from the analytics and NMS engines to provide information that is relevant to what the user is trying to accomplish. So no more filtering through tons of data to find what we need. Magnum OS is built on a robust Linux OS platform with the latest LTS always being supported. It can be run on any architecture, be it bare metal, on-prem VM, or in the cloud, such as AWS, Google, and Azure. Magnum OS is also a very secure platform. It supports advanced user authentication, data at rest and in-transit encryption, and is regularly scanned for vulnerabilities with tenable Nessus. Magnum OS is switch fabric agnostic. It provides routing control of networks using Cisco or Arista cores using native APIs. We are also able to provide the same level of status and visibility on COT switches as we do for Evertz switch fabric. We also have the unique ability to annotate COTS metrics with Magnum OS control contexts through Magnum Analytics. Through NMOS, we are able to interop with multiple devices across several vendors. This has been proven across many active installations. We are also able to provide parametric control for thousands of devices, third-party devices through Magnum and VUE. Furthermore, Reflex can also be used to provide device control at the user's fingertips. It is fluent in several APIs such as JSON, REST, HTTP, and more. And this is just the beginning for Magnum OS. We expect to improve this platform much more in the near future. This is Zayd Azmathallah at the Evertz Tech Conference in Rome with Professional Show and Evertz Microsystems for digitalproduction.tv.